Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You've confirmed power and you're ready. Now open Run with Win plus R and type msconfig. Once the system configuration window appears, switch to the Boot tab so you can see why the machine boots to safe mode. You're doing this to remove the forced safe boot flag, so locate the Safe Boot checkbox and study the listed timeout and boot options. Make sure you note which OS entry is selected, because you'll apply changes to that specific boot entry before restarting the system. Now you'll disable the Safe Boot flag and commit the change. Uncheck Safe Boot, confirm timeout is reasonable, 30 is fine, then click Apply and OK. When prompted, choose Restart. The system should boot normally. If the GUI route fails, open an elevated command prompt and run bcdedit/delete current safe boot to remove the setting from the boot configuration data. Once done, restart again. This removes the enforced safe mode option at a lower level, which is why the command line is effective when msconfig won't stick. Finish by verifying the change. Reopen msconfig after a normal boot and confirm safe boot remains unchecked, because that proves the flag was cleared. If the laptop still boots into safe mode, run sfc/scano and dism repair commands, or restore to a restore point made before the problem. This corrects corrupted system files that force safe mode. As a last resort, use recovery options to reset while keeping files. If nothing works, contact support. Hardware faults or persistent corrupted boot data may need professional repair.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.